Hello everyone, I am Ajnal B. Padi, a student of Bachelor of Physical Education, and I am the second reporter of the Group 5. So the assigned topic that was given to me is the different curriculum and integration approaches, its methods, and its types. Okay, first is the curriculum integration. What is curriculum integration? It refers to combining two or more subjects in teaching a specific topic. It is a way to connect different areas of studies to help students to make a real-world connection. When teaching, it integrates the subject concepts, the content, the knowledge, the facts, and learning competencies that developed in a topic. With this approach, it makes the learning more engaging for the students and allow them to understand the world that surrounds them. As a future educator, we, as a teacher, has a crucial role to help the students because we are the facilitator of learning. We have to ensure on selecting a specific topic that focuses on subject concepts and competencies that enable us to help our students. This approach has been known in a variety of names such as multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and transdisciplinary integration. Multidisciplinary, or also known as cross-disciplinary, is a way to help students understand the complex issues and develop their critical thinking skills. Teachers integrates the knowledge and skills or even the attitudes for the students to acquire. For example, a student that might be studying about social studies, science, English, and etc. In doing that, it helped the students to develop more comprehensive understanding about the complex issues and preparing them for real-world problem solving. Next is interdisciplinary. It combines knowledge from multiple subjects to explore a central topic. It is a way on teaching students on how to apply the knowledges across discipline to solve problem and also help the students to learn how to connect the ideas from different subjects to understand a topic. Next one is transdisciplinary integration. Transdisciplinary integration is an approach based on analyzing real-life problems with inquiry. It connects different subjects and real-life experiences to help students understand the complex concepts. No, it is a way to help students develop their skills and apply their knowledges in a variety of situations. It used for providing the holistic experience of the student's cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development. In that process, we as a teacher should knowledgeable enough to ensure that our students engage in their learning experiences. Now let's talk about the methods of curriculum integration. We have project-based learning, service learning, learning centers or parallel discipline, theme-based, and the fusion. First is the project-based learning. It means designing learning experiences where students are actively engaged with real-world problems or challenge, and it requires the students to utilize their knowledge and skills from various subjects to solve a complex problem. Project-based learning is an instructional methodology encouraging students to learn by applying the knowledges and skills through an engaging experiences. Next one is service learning. It involves incorporating real-life projects into classroom curriculum where students are actively engaged in meaningful service activities while applying academic concepts and skills that learn in class. In doing so, it connects the students' learning in classroom setting to real-world experiences where they engage in their local communities and develop their careers and personal interests. Next is the learning centers or the parallel discipline. It is a method where students explore a single topic or theme through different subject areas, often by utilizing dedicated learning centers within the classroom while keeping the disciplines somewhat separate, allowing for moderate level of integration between subjects. Example of that is when we create a station in a classroom where we create or we set up an activity that focuses on a specific subject. In doing that, it allows the students to move and explore the different topics or the aspects of that topic. And with that activity, it enhances the engagement of the students where they choose an activity that aligns with their learning interests and learn at that learning center. But remember, not all the students are the same, so we have to differentiate the learning centers in order for us to cater all the students. Next one is the theme-based learning, where it revolves around a central topic or theme that integrates several subjects, allowing students to see the relationship between different disciplines. As a teacher, we are to plan activities that draw connections between different subjects that demonstrate how knowledge is developed and applies across discipline. For example, studying about the life of the ocean, where it has a lot of things to study, like its size, ecosystem, calculating its size, the creatures, and etc. With this, it encourages students to analyze information from various perspectives and make connection between their ideas. Lastly is the fusion. It refers to a teaching approach where multiple subjects are combined to create a single learning experiences. Unlike multidisciplinary where different subjects are studied in a common theme, fusion merge subject matter that creates a new integrated units where the boundaries between discipline become less distinct. In this approach, students may learn skills and knowledge that are similar in various subject areas. Now let's talk about the other type of curriculum integration. We have connected, sequence, shared, and webbed. So let's talk about first the connected. It refers to a method where the focus is on explicitly making connections between different concepts and ideas within a single subject area. Unlike other integration model, connected primary focuses on making clear links between different concepts, units, or lesson within a single subject. As a teacher, we play a key role on linking students on explicitly pointing out of these connections. Next is sequence. It is a planned order in which different subject areas or concepts are introduced and build upon each other within a learning unit. This is observed when similar ideas are taught together. The third one is the shared time, where when the teachers are going to use their planning to create um, integrating unit among two disciplines. This requires a lot of communications and collaborations among the teachers. And lastly, the web type. It is when the teacher decides to base all the subject areas around the central theme, which motivates the students to see the connection to the theme within the different subjects. A central theme was chosen as the foundation for integrating various subjects because it allows deeper exploration of concepts from different perspectives.